So Bear caught a bird. I let him outside at this hour of night, and somehow he caught a bird on my back porch, and the bird is not dead. He's quite upset with his brother who's looking at him. He's probably going to release this bird in a moment, and the birdie is going to try to run away. It's a baby bird. And thus the fun is beginning in my home for the cute little birdie who is most surely going to die because Bear has caught him. I'm sorry, birdie. Here's a bird in my loft. I'm hoping that my cat will be so kind as to put the birdie out of its misery right now. But I don't think he knows what to do. Except be mad at his brother. Bear, you're supposed to kill it. You and your claws. Look at you. I have to go get the rug. Oh, I guess he's got the rug. I think he thinks he has a new toy in the house. Alright, we're going to go practice compassion on the poor little birdie and get it out of our house.